In the world of supply chain management, businesses use two main strategies to move products: product push and demand pull. But what do these terms mean? And how do they impact efficiency, costs, and customer satisfaction? Let's break it down. First, let's talk about the product push strategy, also known as the push system. This approach is based on forecasting. Businesses produce goods in advance based on predicted demand and push them down the supply chain to wholesalers, retailers, and eventually, customers. The advantage? Economies of scale. Producing in bulk reduces costs. The downside? Overproduction and excess inventory, which can lead to wastage, higher holding costs, and discounting to clear unsold stock. Now let's look at the demand pull strategy, or the pull system. Instead of producing based on forecasts, companies manufacture products only when there is actual demand, meaning the customer's order drives production. This approach minimizes excess inventory and reduces waste, making it ideal for industries requiring customization and flexibility. However, it relies on an agile supply chain and can face challenges like longer lead times and dependency on suppliers. So, how do these strategies compare? Product push is forecast-driven, involves mass production, carries a higher inventory risk, but offers a lower cost per unit. On the other hand, demand pull is order-driven, allows for flexible production, results in lower inventory waste, and provides higher responsiveness. Companies choose between these strategies or even a mix of both, depending on their industry, customer expectations, and supply chain capabilities. Understanding push versus pull strategies helps businesses optimize their supply chains, reduce costs, and improve customer satisfaction. What do you think is the better approach? Let us know in the comments. Subscribe for more supply chain insights.